Oh my gosh. You are totally in your Pamela Anderson era.
That is awesome.
So going nude for the summer.
I love it. Love, love, love.
Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I love how we always stick a little bit like darker, especially like up and through this area during like spring and fall. But I think that now that summer's coming and you like to wear this color for like 6 months, I think that we should now bring this up here a little bit. I think that we should go nude blonde for the summer. What do you think about that?
That sounds great.
So we'll make sure that like you get some nice brightness up through here, but we'll do a little bit of a regrowth shadow so that it kind of just like blends right in. It's kind of like a nice smolder at the regrowth going into your brightness.
Awesome.
And I think too, because you have such beautiful eyes and like these frame them so nicely, like I think that having a little bit of impact there and then having it carry on down through here will be really pretty. Awesome. And then with that little bit of the shadow there, you'll have a really easy grow out, but it will still feel impactful.
Awesome.
All right, nude blonde it is.
Great, I'm excited.
So with this money piece, because we want it to be bright, but also not overwhelming, I like to take it all the way from the front to your temple where your little baby hairs are, because that sits the nicest underneath the rest of the hair as it falls on top of it. And it gives it like a really nice, kind of like a halo, kind of like a peekaboo, but still gives you a lot of impact. Whereas like sometimes like with my hair, mine's just like a straight across chunk because I like to have almost that like headband look when it comes to my money piece. But most people, I prefer to do it like this so that they have the versatility if they are gonna put their hair back, that it won't feel like they just have this like alien block of color out of nowhere against their natural. And just so I can create that little edge or that little frame for your money piece after I do a baby light right off of the regrowth, so that when you do pull your hair back, you don't just have a block of color, it kind of fades into the blonde. I like to do one slice with no hair left in between, just to really set the foundation for that face frame so that it almost acts like a halo for you. gosh. You are totally in your Pamela Anderson era.
That
We're
is awesome.
so going nude for the summer.
I love it. Love, love, love.